Hello, my gorgeous friends on the internet. So today we'll be making our normal tutorials. So I decided to show you guys what it really takes to be a software engineer here in Nigeria. Because on the norms, when you watch tutorials on YouTube, the kind of stuff you see is how to build this, how to make animations, how to you understand all those kind of stuff that makes although it makes your website looks good and interactive, but do you really do that on a real project, on a client project? Do you make animation fly from here to that side? You don't do that. So because of this, I decided to show you guys what it really takes to be a software engineer, what you need to do in order to gain a job, your first job as a software engineer. And when you get your first job, the kind of stuff you should be expecting. You know, not all developers out there are really nice. Like you might meet a silly boss, like a very silly boss. I don't have a silly boss, but you might meet someone that is very silly, someone that is very difficult to work with. So I will show you guys what it really takes to get a job, or when you get your first job, the kind of feeling you will have, that imposter syndrome. You really understand. You should understand what I'm trying to say. So I will show you guys how to get rid of it and the things I did when I got my first job as a software engineer. So again, if you really want to see things like this, kindly subscribe to this channel, click on the like button, share the video with friends if you really like what I'll be sharing with you on this video. And one of the main reasons why I decided to make a video like this is that it is not easy at all to be a software engineer in Nigeria, and it is one of the things that people really underrate here. Like, okay, you work, we work almost round the clock. You just work. That it gets to a point in my life right now that I don't have time for the outside world. I just sit here just on my computer. And back then, when I was working as a remote dev, at least I have the time to do some certain things, make tutorials here on YouTube, make create website from scratch. But I won't be able to do all those kind of stuff right now. You get so these are the kind of stuff you should be ready for. You should be ready to live, sit on your desk, sit on your chair 5 hours, 6 hours. You should be able to zero your mind from the outside world and just focus on what you do. So this is more like an intro to what I'll be saying on this video. So if you really want to see this kind of videos, just encourage me. Then I'll make more of this type of video. So I'll be walking you through about four of my projects. The project I have built for a client. I'll be walking you through, and I will show you the code, how things work. You understand? So it's more like take walk, taking you through all I have been doing all this while for the company I currently work with. So the company name is the IT Skills Center. It is a company here in Nigeria. We don't just build solutions for clients. We also teach people how to code. So those are the kind of things they do in the company. So sometimes I take people classes. Sometimes, most time, my main job is to code as a front end developer. But companies they still want you to do extra stuff for some extra cash. So sometimes I take tutorials, things like that. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and show you the code, show you the website, show you. You're free to criticize you're free to criticize if you want to. So let me quickly do that, guys. So guys, the first website on my list here is 9 to 5 Chic. So 9 to 5 Chic is a platform for career women all over the world. So it's more like it's a social media site, but this time around you can save on the platform. Ladies all over the world can join, and they have something called mentors, whereby a lady can assist another lady to reach her goals, to get to her true potential. So that's in a nutshell what the website is all about. So it's owned by a lady in the United States of America, where there is a name Glory Edozie. So it is owned by her. So I'll quickly go through the website so you guys can really see what it takes to be a software engineer here in Nigeria, the kind of stuff you'll be building. Okay, I'm a front end developer. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am building. I should be able to implement any design. I should be able to see a design of Figma or Adobe XD and be able to do something like that using just HTML and CSS. Then, when it comes to consuming API, getting data from the database, authentication, things like that, that is where JavaScript comes in. So, mind nobody when they tell you that you need to know JavaScript before you can get a job. Bro, I didn't get a job knowing everything in JavaScript. You get, I didn't get a job knowing everything in JavaScript. I was just very good on what I do, which is HTML and CSS. Then while I was working, I was able to gather more knowledge, be able to do some certain things which I don't know how to do before. And most time there is this big concept when you see YouTubers doing stuff. Like most of the things I do right now, I don't think when I do it. I just do it because it is already in the permanent set of my brain. You understand? So when you do things over and over and over again, you get to like do it without even thinking. You understand? So back to the website. The first thing we need to notice in this website is there is no animation. We have ladies here, they are not dancing, they are not shaking their butts or doing something crazy. When you do the main reason why we make website this way is that so they can focus on one thing. What they need to focus on? Sign into 9 to 5 shift, provide your login details, then the call to action, email address, password. You understand? So with that being said, let's get into the website. I know you guys really want to see what how it looks like. And before you criticize me, before you say anything, this website is live app.9to5ship.com. If you're a lady, you can probably buy one of that plan and check the stuff out. You understand? And it is still under maintenance. It is still under production. We are still adding more things to this website and we are still making the UI look better. So if there's anything you see that you don't like, you're free to criticize, you're free to say it to me, you're free to drop it in on the comment box. But please mind the words you say to people. It's really hot when you guys say those terrible stuffs. So let's get in. Whoa, so here we go. So as a first time the first time you'll be visiting the site, you will get something like this that walk you through the website. You understand? To tell you where and what you need to do. Then what happens when you visit this website the first time is that this stuff run, it is an npm package. So it runs, then when you click skip or when you're done um with it, it saves a token on your local storage. So the next time you be visiting this website, you won't have to like go through this process again because you know it's going to be annoying and nobody would want to do something like that. Yeah. So let's keep going or let's just skip. So this is the website. This is what it looks like. So I have some stuff on my Git which I am yet to push to life. Like I modify some stuff like this input box and the button the way this stuff is because one thing I realize is that not everybody that would actually know that this is where I need to like um share what I am thinking. You understand? So with that being said, guys, let's scroll down and see how this website looks like. Okay, I see it's nice. So it's just for ladies. This is a growing platform. The growing platform. You can say the 95 Shikwe career women. Right, like I really love this platform. Really love this platform. So this platform was built by just two people. It was built by just two developers. Myself as a front end developer and Femi Tijani as a back end developer. So we both work hands to hand on this project to make it a success. So this is what I'm saying outside Nigeria or places like that, you have about 5 to 6 developers working on a particular project like this. You understand? But here in Nigeria, you end up seeing two developers working on a large application like this. What does it do to me? It helps me to learn, find out alright. It makes me implement designs faster. But what is this the disadvantage? I can't sleep. I can't have time for the outside stuff. I must meet my tasks on Trello. You understand? So aside from that, that is the only challenge I have working just me as a front end developer to a project like this. And sometimes you get to see one person building a full stack developer working both on the front end and back end. Yeah. So this is what the homepage looks like. You can see the suggestion tab. If I can decide to add, but they don't know I am actually on this website right now. It would be a nice idea to like let them know I am here. So with that being said, guys, what else do we have here? We have this where you can track go smash, go created connections, and here you can track it. And we have so let's go to the next section, which is what is this? Okay, this is the messaging section. So you need to add connection before you can exchange direct messages. So you can't just chat with people on this platform. You have to like have a connection with them. They have to connect with you. You have to connect with them before you can like chat with the person. So the next tab we have set goals. So this is where you set your goal. You can add a goal. And when you add a goal, there are people called mentors. Those mentors can be assigned to you, and you can like, what do I say? They can like help you if it's something that need money in order for you to achieve that goal. They will help you. They will source you with the cash which you need in order to achieve that goal. Okay, so let's go back to the community page. So we have Pioneer Network. Pioneer Network. What do we have here? So on the Find Network section, we have you can still see our suggestion tab, and we can see manage my network. So this website is built using just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then Node.js for the backend. If you've been paying close attention to stuff, you would notice that there is no animation going in except from the fading when I'm about to go to a page. Except from that, there's nothing else that is going on here. The website is just simple. You understand? So this is this is the third project I am building from scratch to finish here at IT Skill Center. Yeah, this is the third project. So most time we I work with other front end developers on some projects. Sometimes it's just me, but I can't just show you guys what was done by me and someone else. I will only show you what I did. You understand? So with that being said, let's just go to the connection. We have connections here where you view your connection, which is okay. What I need to do here now, right here, this is the connection. I'm supposed to make this active because it's the active tab. So we have grow your network where you can connect with people, and we have invitation. Accept this is the owner of the platform. Glory Edosian, if I can spell. So grow your network tab. We have my network is very slow right now. So let's see what we have here. Okay, these are those on the platform. Those I can connect with. These are those on the platform. So let me not do that for something for something I am not even aware of. So with that being said, guys, let's just go to the resources page and see what we have on our resources page. So on the resources page, we have webinars, live section, template, worksheets, articles, just things that will help them. Like I can't just start going through all this link. It's a lot to cover, and I don't want this video to span this long rather. So let's see the kind of videos we have on this site. So we have career hack live by, we have something, we have how to various official qualities, we have how to navigate a career transition. We have okay, let's view this. Let's see what it looks like. My network is really slow today. So guys, in essence, what I'm trying to say on this video is that you don't need to know it all. Like you don't need to know it all to get your first job as a developer. You don't need to know it all. But all I could advise anybody is that try and be very good with your CSS. If you're very good with your CSS, you can look at a design and implement the design exactly the way it is on Figma. Brother, you are good. Then while you are working as a developer, you can like gain more knowledge from your colleagues, those you work with, and you can read more. Like JavaScript is not something you have to know everything. You can never know JavaScript, everything in JavaScript. I still learn JavaScript. I still use Stack Overflow and the rest when I encounter a problem. So it's not that you need to know it all. You need to be that JavaScript guru in order to get a job. You understand? So with that being said, guys, I think this is where I'm going to stop. I won't go to the next website on my mind because of the time already. But if you really want to see things like this, like see what it really takes, the kind of stuff you should be built, you need to. Okay, it can be a challenge to you, like build something like this and put it on your portfolio as a front end developer. I bet you any company can hire you as an engineer. You get. So with that being said, guys, let's just see more stuffs before we. Wow, they have a lot already. Okay. Oh, I'm so tired. So, guys, thank you for watching. If you are still here listening to my voice, thanks a lot. And what you can do for me is to subscribe to this channel, like these videos, share it with friends, and stay motivated. Just do what you do, build your network with friends, connect with people, other developers out there. Just connect, build that network. So whenever there is a job, there's an opening somewhere, someone can always recommend you to a company. And guys, that was the way I got my first job. I was recommended by someone because when I build things, I post on YouTube, I post on dev.io, I post it on just any developer website, and I got to meet someone that really likes what I do, and we're able to vibe, like connect with each other. So, guys, in a nutshell, just try and learn your CSS very well. See any design. Okay, let me say this. Let me say this. When you see a design, the first thing you need to do, like the first thing I do, is to imagine every section of that design. Okay, this is a navbar, right? If I want to implement a navbar, what do I need to do? I need to use CSS Flexbox to make it as easy as possible. When I see a grid type of design, what do I need to do? I need to like you need to like imagine those stuff. And how do you do it? If you don't have knowledge of CSS, if you don't know what to do, you won't be able to imagine how to do it, right? So you have to like learn your CSS to an extent that when you see a design, you're able to like trigger that imagination, think how you're able to implement this design. Then before you know it, you find out that you're not even thinking anymore before you implement a design, just see it and you do what on the screen and to be responsive on all device. So guys, it's nice having you guys here, and thanks for those that always come online to watch my videos whenever they're being notified by YouTube. Thanks a lot, guys. And so I might be doing a new video tomorrow, which I'll be showing you another website, and this website is like it is a company management system, and anything that deals with management is not something that can easily be be triggered on the back end and on the front end. But let me not get you guys scared. Tomorrow we are going to cover that, and after that, I'm planning to create a website from scratch, like a full good looking website from scratch. So if you want to see things like that, guys, just subscribe to my channel right now. For this time around, I am here to stay. I will try as much as I can to put tutorials here on my channel at least 2 times a week. I will just try and do that. It might be Saturday or Sunday. Today is Sunday here in Nigeria, and yeah. So guys, it's nice having you all here. Nice, and bye. Hello, I'm just done with my video, and I have a friend here. Look at his face. He's right here with me. He's also learning how to code. Currently, he's learning how to code, but he's a professional when it comes to like What do you do, bro? Just tell us what you do.
I teach music. I'm a musician. I
Can hear his voice. His voice is really nice. So, like for example, someone wants to like connect with you. How do they do that?
perform. Okay. I have a page on Facebook, Instagram, uh, WhatsApp, and all that.
Yeah, I pay, bro. Okay, guys. He's just a programmer. He's learning how to code. Like, can learn how to code anytime. Like, we're in the age of AI. This is changing, and he knows that in the future there will be AI robot. There will be things to teach kids how to like play music better than he do. I know that in the future that me being writing CSS won't work. That's why I am learning Python. That's why I'm trying to make myself better. So I won't just be so change will not just take me away. I should be able to like grow with the change. So just try and do things new. View videos on YouTube and see how the world is quickly changing. You get so bro.